Work-from-home opportunities are abundant and cater to a wide range of interests and fields. If you're looking for ways to generate income from the comfort of your own home, consider these options. Room rentals. If you have a spare room or basement, you can rent it out on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. This passive income source requires minimal effort once you've set up your space for guests. Ensure you manage your property effectively, and you could generate a steady stream of income. Online tutoring. Offer tutoring services online in various subjects or standardized tests. Utilize online tutoring websites or social media platforms to advertise your services. This flexible option allows you to set your schedule and rates. Virtual assisting. Provide administrative support remotely to clients, including scheduling, email management, and data entry. Opportunities can be found through social media, networking events, or freelancing websites. This work-from-home option allows you to diversify your services and cater to different client needs. Freelance writing. Create content for websites, blogs, or advertisements. Cater to various clients with specialized or broad writing services. Freelance writing provides flexibility and the opportunity to develop your writing skills. Transcribing. Convert speech to text with excellent attention to detail. Paid per audio hour. This work-from-home option offers flexibility, but may require transcribing less interesting topics. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses, engaging with followers and creating content. Proficiency in various social media platforms is necessary. This work-from-home opportunity can provide a steady income and help you develop your social media marketing skills. Online surveys. Earn extra money by providing feedback through online survey websites. While not highly lucrative, online surveys offer flexibility and can be completed in your spare time. In-home daycare. Offer childcare services from home, potentially attracting a steady client base. Pricing for in-home daycare is usually based on a flat daily or weekly rate. Blogging. Monetize personal blogs through advertisements or affiliate marketing. Blogging requires time to build a loyal following but can generate passive income once established. Dropshipping. Sell products without inventory by forwarding orders to suppliers. Profit from price differences between retail and wholesale. Dropshipping provides a flexible and low-risk way to start an online business. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Content can include text, videos, quizzes, etc., catering to specific skills or expertise. Online photo sales. Sell professional quality photographs to stock photo websites. Provide visuals for marketing materials and earn money. Pet sitting. Offer pet sitting services in your home for pet owners in need. Consider your living situation and insurance before offering services. Selling homemade crafts and art. Sell homemade crafts and art on online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy. Once established, consider transitioning to your own website. Graphic design. Provide graphic design services to businesses and nonprofits. Showcase your skills with a variety of work samples and charge flat or hourly rates. Proofreading. Correct spelling, grammar, and consistency errors in various texts. Market your skills through social media or proofreading websites, potentially requiring tests before hiring. These work-from-home opportunities offer flexibility and the chance to earn extra income while working from the comfort of your own home. With a little effort and dedication, you can turn one of these opportunities into a lucrative source of income.